The Index DXY Indicator is available for various platforms, the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and apply it to your chart. Traders who want to understand how the indicator works can read this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. We select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart. Enable Allow DLL Imports and click OK. An oscillator window opens below. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the command section and then hit the OK button. When the indicator is applied to the chart, an oscillator window opens up at the bottom of the chart. For us, the Dollar Index Indicator is a practical tool for displaying the DXY index on the price chart, showing us the DXY value right here. This indicator also helps traders analyze the status of this index better using two moving averages. In the settings section, in the input section, there are options for us, with the first part related to display settings, which includes the indicator's theme or template that has three modes: light theme, dark theme, and custom. By selecting the light option, light template is applied to the chart. By selecting the dark option, dark template, it applies the indicator to the chart. Keeping your template, the first moving average is set to 20 in red, the second moving average is set to 40 in green. The oscillator uses 500 candles by default. The next part is about the indicator settings. First moving average setting is placed with period 20 and displayed in red color. The settings of the second moving average period, which is set with the period of 40 and displayed in green, and finally, the number of candles to measure and display the oscillator, which is set to the default period, and the number is 500. Here I'm setting the template to dark. They set the first moving average to a period of 50, the second moving average to a period of 100, and finally they set the number of candles to 200, and then they hit OK. Here, my template has changed to a dark color, and the periods of my moving averages have also changed from lower periods to higher ones. Finally, the number of candles for display has been limited and changed to 200 candles. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.